Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Today, I want to talk about my hobbies and the fun activities I do in my free time. I think it is important to share our favorite pastimes. What do you like to do for entertainment?
That is a great topic, Alice. I love talking about my hobbies. I enjoy many things like sports, music, watching movies, and reading books. I have several activities that make my life fun and interesting.
That sounds wonderful. I have many hobbies too. I like to play sports, listen to music, watch movies, read books, and sometimes even cook new recipes. Let's talk about each one.
Sure, let's start with sports. What sports do you like, Alice?
I love playing soccer. I play soccer with my friends in the park on weekends. I also like watching soccer matches on TV. How about you, Ben?
I really enjoy basketball. I play basketball with my friends every Saturday. I also like to watch basketball games on TV. Sometimes I play tennis when I have time.
That is very interesting. I think sports are a great way to keep fit and have fun. Do you play sports at school or just for fun?
I played sports at school, and now I play for fun with my friends. It is a good way to exercise and relax.
Yes, exercise is very important. When I play soccer, I feel very energetic and happy.
I feel the same when I shoot a basket or run on the court. Sports always make me smile.
Now, let's talk about music. What kind of music do you like, Ben?
I like many types of music. I listen to pop music most of the time, but I also enjoy rock and a little classical music when I want to relax. What about you, Alice?
I love pop music too. I also enjoy jazz and R&B. Music helps me feel calm and excited at the same time. I make playlists on my phone with my favorite songs.
That is nice. I often listen to music while I work or drive. Sometimes I even sing along, even if I am not very good at it.
Singing is fun, even just for yourself. I sometimes sing quietly when I'm alone at home.
Music is a great friend. It always makes my day better.
What about movies? Do you like watching movies, Ben?
Yes, I love movies. I like action movies because they are exciting. And I also enjoy comedy movies that make me laugh. How about you, Alice?
I like to watch romantic comedies and adventure movies. I enjoy a good story and beautiful images. Sometimes I go to the cinema to watch a new release with friends.
Going to the cinema is fun. I sometimes invite my friends to watch a movie together, and we talk about it afterward.
I also watch movies at home. I use my laptop to watch my favorite films, and sometimes use English subtitles to practice my language skills.
That is a good idea. Movies are not only fun, but also help me learn new words and expressions.
Let's talk about reading. Do you like reading books, Ben?
Yes, I love reading. I read many types of books, such as novels, short stories, and sometimes even comic books. Reading is a great way to relax and learn. What about you, Alice?
I enjoy reading very much. I read novels and mystery books. I try to read for at least 1 hour every day. I also visit the library once a week to find new books.
I sometimes go to the library on weekends. It is quiet and full of many interesting books.
I agree. Reading gives me new ideas and sometimes even makes me laugh.
Comic books are fun too. They have pictures and simple words that are easy to understand.
Besides sports, music, movies, and reading, do you have any other hobbies, Ben?
Yes, I do. I like playing video games on my phone and computer. I also enjoy riding my bicycle in the park, and sometimes I go fishing on weekends. What about you, Alice?
I like to cook new recipes and sometimes paint. I try to draw simple pictures of nature and flowers. Cooking and painting help me relax and express my creativity.
That is very creative, Alice. I think cooking is a fun hobby. I sometimes watch cooking shows to learn new recipes, even if I do not cook much myself.
Yes, I love watching cooking videos on YouTube. They give me many ideas for simple and healthy meals.
It is amazing how many ways there are to spend our free time. Every hobby gives us a chance to learn and have fun.
Do you share your hobbies with your friends, Ben?
Yes, I do. I often play basketball with my friends, and then we talk about our favorite music and movies. Sometimes we plan to go to the cinema together on weekends. What about you, Alice?
I share my hobbies with my friends too. I sometimes invite my friends to an art class, or we meet at the park to read and chat. We even have a small book club where we discuss the books we have read.
That sounds very nice. It is great to have friends who share the same interests.
I agree. Friends make hobbies more fun. We also share our ideas and learn new things from each other.
Yes, and we also encourage each other to try new activities. I sometimes join online groups to talk about sports and music.
Online groups are interesting. I also join forums where people share their favorite movies and books. It is a fun way to meet new people and learn more about my hobbies.
Speaking of new experiences, do you remember a fun day you had with your hobbies?
Yes, I remember one beautiful day last summer. I went to a local park with my friends. We played soccer. Then we sat under a big tree and listened to music. Later, we watched a funny movie on a portable DVD player. It was a perfect day.
That sounds amazing. I remember a similar day. Last autumn, I went to the beach with some friends. We played volleyball, swam in the sea, and later we had a picnic. We even listened to our favorite music while watching the sunset.
The beach and the park are great places for fun. They help me feel relaxed and happy.
Yes, nature makes all our hobbies more enjoyable. I feel that outdoor activities give me extra energy.
I also love when I combine hobbies. For example, sometimes I ride my bicycle to a quiet place. Then I sit down with a book and relax.
That is a good idea. I sometimes ride my bike in the morning and listen to music at the same time. It makes the ride very pleasant.
Do you have any plans to try a new hobby soon, Ben?
Yes, I am thinking about learning to play the piano. I have always loved music, and I want to try playing a simple instrument. What about you, Alice? Do you have any new hobbies in mind?
I would like to try gardening. I have a small balcony, and I want to grow some flowers and vegetables. I think gardening is very relaxing and good for the mind.
Gardening sounds nice. It is a great way to connect with nature and learn patience.
Yes, I agree. I also think that learning new hobbies makes our life more interesting.
Every new hobby teaches us something. It can make us happier and help us relax after a busy day.
Sometimes I feel that my hobbies help me learn new words and improve my English. For example, when I watch movies with English subtitles or read a book, I learn many new expressions.
That is true, Alice. I learn new vocabulary from reading and listening to music. It helps me understand English better and speak more confidently.
I also sometimes write down new words in a notebook. Then, I try to use them in sentences.
I do that too. It is a good habit that helps me remember and practice.
Our hobbies not only give us joy, but they also help us grow as people. They make our lives richer and more interesting.
Absolutely, Alice. I believe that enjoying simple activities like sports, music, movies, and reading can make a big difference in our happiness and learning.
I am very thankful for all my hobbies and for the friends who share these interests with me.
Me too, Alice. I am grateful for the time I spend on my hobbies because they help me relax and feel creative.
It is very important to have a good balance between work, study, and our hobbies. They all help us become better people.
I agree completely. When I have fun and learn new things through my hobbies, I feel more motivated at work and in my studies.
Do you ever join clubs or groups because of your hobbies?
Yes, I join a small sports club and sometimes a music group. I meet people who share the same interests, and that makes my hobbies even more fun.
That is wonderful. I sometimes join a book club or an art workshop. Meeting new people with similar interests is very exciting.
It is, and through these clubs, I also learn new skills and get ideas for new activities.
I think that is what makes hobbies so special. They bring people together and create memories that last a long time.
Yes, I have many good memories with my friends, like playing basketball on a sunny day or watching a great movie at a friend's house.
I remember a time when I and my friends went to an art exhibition. We talked about our favorite paintings and even tried to paint a little ourselves. It was a very creative day.
That sounds amazing. I remember a time when my friends and I went to a local music festival. We listened to different bands, danced, and enjoyed the warm evening. It made me very happy.
Festivals and group events are a great way to enjoy entertainment. They make the experience more lively and memorable.
I agree. I think that sharing these moments with others is very important. It makes our hobbies even more valuable.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me, Ben. I feel very happy talking about our hobbies and entertainment.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our conversation. It reminds me of all the fun things we do and the new things we want to try.
Let's promise to talk again about our new hobbies and experiences. Maybe we can even plan a day to do something fun together.
That is a great idea, Alice. I would love to join you for a game of soccer or a visit to a new movie.
Yes, let's plan a day soon. We can play sports, watch a movie, and then talk about our favorite books and music.
I look forward to that day, Alice. Thank you for this long conversation about our hobbies. It makes me appreciate the simple joys of life even more.
I feel the same way, Ben. I am very happy to have a friend like you, who shares similar interests and inspires me to try new things.
Me too, Alice. I believe that our hobbies make our lives richer and help us learn and grow every day.
Have a great day, Ben, and enjoy your favorite activities.
Thank you, Alice. I hope you have a wonderful day full of fun and creativity. See you soon.
See you soon, Ben. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.